Welcome to the Listener's Nest. In this lesson, we will explore the present continuous tense. This tense is all about what is happening right now, at this very moment. And what better way to understand the present continuous than by thinking about the workings of our own breath? Each breath that we take is temporary, isn't it? Momentary, reminding us of the short and fleeting nature of each moment. That is exactly the nature of the present continuous tense, isn't it? An action that is happening right now, but not going on forever. It has an end. It is only temporary. And so we thought, why not take this opportunity to stop and appreciate and enjoy the present moment just for a little while? We invite you to treat this audio as a form of meditation. You can sit back, relax, and if you like, close your eyes. Listen carefully to the words as you focus on your own breath for a few minutes. Your subconscious mind will pick up the grammatical information automatically. That's a promise. Ready?
Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and out. In and out again. And as you are breathing, there is so much going on inside your body. As you are breathing in deeply, air is flowing in through your nose, filling your lungs with oxygen. Your chest is moving up and down as you breathe. Your diaphragm is moving down to make space for the air. The diaphragm is a large muscle located below the lungs, which contracts and becomes smaller to allow the air to enter the lungs. Now that the air is in the lungs, the oxygen is flowing from your lungs into your blood, giving you vital energy. Your heart is pumping the oxygen-rich blood through your entire body, from your brain to the tips of your toes. And as you breathe out, carbon dioxide is leaving your body. Your chest is getting smaller, pushing out old air and everything else that does not serve you. With every breath, your body is changing a little bit. Your muscles are relaxing and your mind is becoming calm. As oxygen is moving through your body, you are feeling clear-headed and present. The noise of the world is disappearing, leaving just the rhythmic sensation of air moving in and out. In and out. Right now, you have nothing else to do, nothing to worry about, and nowhere to be but here. Right now, your focus is only on the breath, the gentle movement of your chest, and the air flowing in your lungs. Each breath is bringing you into the moment, keeping you focused on the now. Now and now. Sometimes you pause, wait just a few moments in silence, till once again the humble breath eggs you on. Come along now, it is saying. we are moving on, you and I, into the next now. You have no choice. Your body and breath are inviting, compelling, pulling you into this dance, into this flow of the rising and falling of your entire being with each breath. As you are breathing in, you are filled with life itself, revitalizing and renewing you. As you are breathing out, you are letting go of stories from the past and worries about the future. There is only this breath, this moment, right now. As you keep breathing, you are remembering how simple life can be. Breathing is giving you comfort, strength, and making you feel connected to all the goodness that life is offering you at present. This continuous flow of breath and focusing on the now is making you ask yourself, who am I? As you sit here, you are thinking about this question. You are thinking about your role and purpose on this earth. Why am I here? What am I giving back to this beautiful earth that is nurturing and looking after me with its precious gifts? You can spend some time thinking about these questions. Keep breathing in and out, in and out. Each breath is reminding you that at this moment you're alive, and that, my friend, is all that matters right now. You may open your eyes now.
We hope you've enjoyed this meditation as much as we have enjoyed creating it for you. If you like, you can now watch the video again, this time focusing on the structure that is used in the present continuous tense. Notice all of the verbs that are appearing in the ing form: breathing, flowing, going on, and each of these verbs appearing with a helping verb before them: is, am, or are. As you do that, feel free to discuss the meanings of the words that you do not understand in the comments section of this video, because one of the best ways to learn and grow is to share with one another what you know and what you don't know, because it's okay to not know everything. Thanks for listening and have a great week ahead.